Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do SFS on Snapchat, or if you don't know what SFS means, it means shout out for shout out or snap for snap. So it basically means that if someone mentioned you on their story, you'll also want to mention them on your own story. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to go to your Snapchat app and then take a picture or video, whatever you want, and then click text here on the upper right side of your screen, and then just type at, then mention any person that you want, for example this one. Then just, if you want some art, just go and doodle some. Then you just want to click story, then you want to click add. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do SFS on Snapchat. I hope this helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.